Hey guys, welcome to Options Phase 1. Let's get into it, dive right in talking about what are calls. Calls give you the ability to buy 100 shares of a said company at a certain strike price. So let's say you want to buy a $10 stock and you want to buy it at $10, but you think that there's a potential for the stock to rise in the near future or in the next few weeks, and you don't have the money in your account to buy 100 shares of this $10 stock, but you can buy the right to do so as a contract or a call option. So you can buy the call option from the original party, a seller, and let's say that I'm the seller. I can sell you the right to buy 100 shares of Apple or whatever the company is. Let's say X. That company X, I will sell you for $120. So you're paying $120 to buy the right to buy 100 shares from me, and I'm the seller selling it to you for $120, collecting a premium from you. So I collect that $120, and that goes into my bank account. Well, if the stock is less than $10, or you don't choose to execute this contract, then I collect that premium from you and I walk away, and no harm done on my end. Your end, if you choose to sell that to somebody else, you have the right to sell that contract to somebody else. So you can take your $120 contract, it now rises to $170 in value. You can choose to sell that to someone else and let them take on the remaining theta, which we can talk about in another video. But for right now, we want you to understand what is buying a call option and why can it help me. So I can buy a call option for less money than what it would take for me to buy the 100 shares of the equity that I'm looking at. And then I have the right to also sell it to somebody to collect it as a premium. And I can also resell it if I want to buy the call option for myself and not be the seller. If I want to be the buyer, I could buy the option and I could sell it to someone else at a later date before the expiration. Or lastly, I can buy the $10 strike option, and then the stock goes to, let's say, $15. And now I choose that I want to own it forever, or for long-term investment, I want to execute and buy the shares for $10 and then hold them and do whatever I want with them. So that's what a call option is. Hopefully that helps you guys out. Thanks for listening, and tune into the next video. See you soon.